Transferring files via LeechFTP. This tutorial will show you how to transfer files to and from a server via LeechFTP. First, we need to connect to the server. You will need to configure LeechFTP with the account information prior to attempting to connect to the server. For more information on configuring the account information, refer to the tutorial Configuring Accounts in LeechFTP. Click the Bookmarks tool. Double-click the bookmark. Next, we will upload a file, but first, let's change to the remote directory where we want to upload the file. Double-click the CGI bin directory. Click the file. Before we transfer the file, let's briefly discuss transfer modes, which can be selected using these tools. There are two modes that can be used to transfer files. Classic Mac OS, Windows DOS, and Unix-based systems, such as Linux and OS X, all have different hidden characters that symbolize a new line in text files. When transferring text files, such as scripts, web pages, HTML, and other text documents from one system to another, you will need to transfer them using ASCII mode so that these characters are converted so that it is compatible with the new system. This tool will select ASCII mode for transfers. Transferring other files, such as images, compiled applications, etc., need to be transferred using binary mode, as the attempt to convert them will corrupt the files when they're transferred. This tool will select binary mode for transfers. In most cases, the default auto mode works fine for detecting which file types need to be transferred in ASCII mode and which ones need to be transferred using binary mode. The file types that are transferred via ASCII in auto mode can be edited in the Options under the File menu. Click the Upload tool. Click the Remote window. Click the Refresh tool. Next, let's change the permissions on the file. New files will not be executable by default. CGI scripts will need this permission granted in order to work. Right-click the file. Select Set Attributes. Click the Execute List checkboxes. Click the Set Attributes button. Now let's go back to the document root for the site and upload our images directory. Double-click the .dot folder to navigate back to the parent directory. Click the directory. Click the Upload tool. Since there already is an images directory on the server, a new directory will not be created. Instead, the files in our local directory will be uploaded to the existing one on the server. Any file names already existing for files in the directory will be overwritten automatically. Next, let's change to both images directories and then download one of the existing files in the remote directory. Double-click the directory. Double-click the directory. This file was uploaded when we transferred the contents of our local images directory. Let's download this file. Click the Download tool. Entire directories can also be downloaded in the same manner as they're uploaded. Multiple files or directories within a directory can be selected to upload or download by holding the Control key and clicking the file or directory to add it to the selection prior to initiating a move, deletion, or change to the permissions. Congratulations! You now know how to transfer files to and from a server via LeechFTP.